Okay,
the lesser one.
give an example.
For example, you were a bus driver containing, let's say, 100 passengers, and then suddenly on the way down, you find out that you had no brakes. So your options would be, it's either you try to hit a dump truck so that you could immediately stop the bus, or otherwise you would try to hit a barn containing flocks of animals so that you could stop the truck. So your choice would be is to hit the barn, because it means that by hitting the dump truck, which is more heavier than the bus that you were driving, it would automatically kill all of your passengers. So by this way, you opted to choose that of the lesser evil.